7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
What's up, Peach Squad, and welcome back to episode 6. If you didn't see last week's episode, we were inserted somewhere on the screen. But this week, what are we making?
Strawberry crunch cake.
We are making a strawberry crunch cake, okay? And we're just gonna let y'all know right now, if you're not ready, get ready, because I mean,
It's the truth.
this cake is good. So let's get right into it. You're gonna need yellow cake mix, strawberry cake mix, vanilla icing, strawberry gelatin, vanilla pudding, flour, sugar, butter, and strawberry.
Yeah, and she don't wanna roll in the wintertime. Yeah, 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 yeah. And she don't wanna roll in the wintertime. Can't wait for the summer. Can't wait for the come up. And she don't wanna roll in the wintertime. Can't wait for the summer. Can't wait for the come up. Yeah, I've been wanting to spend time with you. Yeah, and she don't wanna roll in the wintertime. Yeah, 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 yeah. And she don't wanna roll in the wintertime. Can't wait for the summer. Can't wait for the come up. And she don't wanna roll in the wintertime. Can't wait for the summer. Can't wait for the come up. Yeah, I've been wanting to spend time with you. Yeah, and she don't wanna roll in the wintertime. Yeah, 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 yeah. And she don't wanna roll in the wintertime. Can't wait for the summer. Can't wait for the come up. And she don't wanna roll.
Alright, so you're gonna have 2 bowls, your mixes, gelatin and vanilla pudding, and then half a stick of butter. So we're gonna cakes are done. I cut the edges around the cake because the cake, I don't like my cake hard on the edges, and some parts were hard, so I just cut around it. But you know, that's not a problem. The icing will fix all and keep it all together. So we're gonna layer our cake, and let's get into it. So we're gonna start with vanilla.
Which one's that?
This one. So we'll start with vanilla. I got one. So it's gonna be vanilla, strawberry, vanilla. No, actually, we're gonna start with strawberry.
Dang, what you making mine now?
Okay, there's a picture of strawberry on there. Then we're gonna start strawberry.
I'll play a role, tell all the boys, I'll keep it low. If I say no, would you turn away, or play me off, or would you stay up? First you don't succeed, dust yourself off and try again. You can dust it off and try again, and try again. Cause if at first you don't succeed, you can dust it off and try again. Dust yourself off and try again, and try again. Into you into me, or play a role, tell all the boys, I'll keep it low. If I say no, would you turn away, or play me off, or would you stay up? If at first you don't succeed, dust yourself off and try again.
ice. So let's add the crumble part. Okay? Let's add it.
Yeah, and she don't wanna roll in the wintertime. Yeah, 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 yeah. And she don't wanna roll in the wintertime. Can't wait for the summer. Can't wait for the come up. And she don't wanna roll in the wintertime. Can't wait for the summer. Can't wait.
Alrighty guys, our cake is crumbled. It was a messy process. A very messy process, like, but we got it done. So I just want to show y'all how big that slice of cake is. That is a huge cake. That is a huge slice. Look at, and then look at the layers. It looks so beautiful. Look at those layers. Now let's try this bad boy. You gonna try it first?
Now you go ahead.
No, you try it first, honey.
I don't want to try it. I want the crumbles.
Try that part. And you got a real strawberry in it. Yeah? Let me try it.
I'm trying to crumble. That make you do all that? You can't be saying no one part.
You can. Alright, here's the piece with the crumble. And you got some real strawberries in that one too. Y'all, this cake is good.
It is. She made her own shop.
This cake is real good. Like,
Tell them how good it
every
is.
piece of this cake is so good. You can eat each piece individually and it tastes so good together. Like, what? But thank you for watching this week's episode and we will see you in the next video.
I think you're truly something special. Just what my dreams are.